Things you should never do after eating. Did you know that some common things we do after eating could eventually affect your general health? Things you should never do after taking your meal. Sleep. Sleeping is an essential part of our life. Going to bed right after a meal could lead to bloating, discomfort, and abnormal sleeping patterns. Please try to engage with other activities instead of sleeping right after your meal. Eating fruits. Fruits need special kinds of enzymes and more time to get digested. Eating fruits after a meal can cause indigestion, flatulence, or heartburn. Smoking. Smoking 1 cigarette after a meal is equivalent to smoking 10 cigarettes. This can increase the risk of bowel cancer and lung cancer. My suggestion? Steer clear of them. Walking. Many people say that as soon as you finish a meal, the best thing to do is go for a walk. But researchers say that you should wait at least 30 minutes before taking a walk. Going for a walk right after a meal can result in acid reflux and indigestion. Loosening the belt. Well, most people suggest that you don't do this after a meal. Don't loosen your belt. It's just a sign that you've eaten a lot more than was necessary, which in short is bad. Drinking a cup of tea or coffee. They both have their benefits when consumed in a limited amount. Obviously, excess of anything is harmful. It is suggested by most nutritionists that tea should be consumed at least 1 hour after any meal. Shower. Taking a bath after food increases blood flow to every other part of the body except the stomach. It leads to indigestion and digestive problems. Waiting 30 minutes after a meal in order to take a shower or a bath is the best suggestion. Gym. Going to the gym and doing exercises is a good option to shape your body and look awesome. But it's really not good to join the gym and do heavy exercises right after your meal. After eating, your stomach needs rest and time to digest the food you have eaten. Drinking of cold water. Avoid drinking cold water immediately after taking a meal. Cold water does not allow your stomach to digest the food properly, as it causes bunching of food, which may increase the chances of constipation. Brushing your teeth. Normally, people would say that it is important to brush your teeth after eating. Yes, it is vital for dental health, but don't do it immediately after eating. When you are done eating, it is recommended to wait for about 30 minutes before brushing your teeth.